What's up guys, it's actually Daniel from the future because I forgot to make an intro. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can mount your Corbeau Forza bucket seat even lower. Now in advance, I do apologize for the audio. Some points are high, some points are low. I got a new mic, so it's a bit of a learning curve. Anyways, let's just hop right into that video. For those who don't know, my current setup is Corbeau Forza bucket seats. They're bottom mounts and I have sliders, so they sit pretty high. Just to show you, standing up fully, my head almost touches the ceiling, and I'm about 5'6", so I'm a rather short guy. Now, when I have my helmet on, it touches, as you can plainly see. To make myself fit in the car, I've actually been taking out the padding when I drive, which isn't the most comfortable thing. In addition to the height, I don't like how the seat actually moves. That's because of the sliders. So I'm going to take the seat out, then I'll show you how I'm going to mount it to make it even lower. Now that we got the seat out, I'll show you how everything's mounted together. The setup on this is really simple. The seats mount to the sliders via these bolts. There's one at each corner. The sliders are connected via this bolt. Again, one at each corner. I got the bracket off from the seat and the sliders off, but I think things are going to be a lot easier than I originally thought. What I noticed is that these bolt holes, I hope the camera can catch that. I noticed these holes actually line up surprisingly well. I don't know how well the camera picked it up, but these holes line up pretty well actually. I took some quick measurements and they're almost identical. My original plan was actually to get some thick pieces of metal, mount those to the bracket, and then mount the seat to that. It looks like though I should be able to mount it directly to the bracket. Just one little hiccup. So I discovered that these bolts are just slightly too big. What I'm gonna do is take a Dremel and lightly grind it out, and I think that should be enough clearance for this to fit, and it should just be plug and play. Now, admittedly, it will put the seat a lot more forward. With that being said, I'm a pretty short guy, so I don't think that's gonna impact me at all. But if you're a taller person, you would definitely wanna get some metal, mount that metal to the bracket, and then mount the seat to it. That way you can adjust the back and forth. So guys, I actually already did a test fit. It's gonna be perfect for me. I'll show you guys real quick how I mounted this then. As I mentioned, all I literally did was make the holes on the bracket slightly bigger, and then it mounted right up with no issues. I'm really surprised that worked. Like I said, I thought I was gonna have to get some metal, make some holes, and take measurements, but this went super smooth. I'm going to take out these bolts real quick, just so I can put the washer and locking nut in there, and then I'm gonna cinch everything down, put it back together, and I'll show you the final fitment. The seat's all bolted down, and as you can see now, I don't touch the ceiling when I go up. I'll put the helmet on now for the true test. With the helmet on, I got room now up above. Admittedly though, it's not much. Mounting the seat straight to the bracket took off a good about inch and a half. I do think though that my head is still a little bit too close for comfort. So at events, I'll probably still take out the cushion. With that being said, the driving position is considerably better. I do hope this video helps someone, so if you happen to have a set of Corbeau Forza bucket seats, you have an idea of how you can mount them lower. Admittedly though, I should have sprung the extra money for the Corbeau FX1 Pros. Those are side mount seats and would have been considerably lower than this. On a positive note though, at least I got something done. For the sake of transparency, this video was actually supposed to be the wiring, but I quickly realized I'm not getting that done in one day. So I decided to do these seat brackets just to have some sense of victory, even if it's only like half a victory considering the height issue still. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.